Debbie,
They wanted
me
to
and Mom
sober me up.
Don't worry, me and Mom looked for Debbie many nights. Come on, Darlene, let's go get him. Dad'd be sitting at the kitchen table. That belt, right there. Of course, we had to hear the lecture of why did you do that? Why would you do that? Right, Deb? She don't remember. No.
Everything before the convent, it's a blank, right?
Don't know anything about that.
No parties, no.
No clue.
Oh, I remember Deb's party you had. Don't you remember that party? Everybody came over. You guys went to the farm for the weekend?
And we wouldn't let Jeanette stay.
Yeah. So I told on you and you got in trouble.
That's when the cops showed up.
Yeah, I think so.
Me and Susie were at the farm. No, I was with Susie. I didn't stay. I didn't stay at this party.
See, I don't remember any of this stuff.
Oh, Debbie.
That's called selective memories.
Tim, go away so she can, like, admit everything.
I don't remember any of
So are you
this.
still working, Rick?
Must be age thing going.
No, I was
I
working.
remember
I
I
was
won
working
the
delivery
spelling
part.
bee in Sister Eileen's third grade class, and she was dumbfounded. She's like,
You
it's
know,
not possible.
you wasn't
You
still
couldn't have won the spelling bee.
Dumbfounded.
because I'm
She
working.
was dumbfounded. I
Oh, yeah,
won
we
it,
need it.
and she didn't want to give me the prize. And the prize was an autographed book. It was beautiful. It was zipped up.
Something
It
to do.
was
And
leather.
anyway, I
Colored
worked
paper in
for
it.
2 years, and then what happened was the guy
And
that's the
she
general manager.
just ridiculed me. She
The
goes,
guy
"Did you
that's
cheat?"
general
I'm
manager,
like,
his
"How
daughter
did I
was
cheat?
going to
Standing in the middle of the
college.
classroom." You know?
She had a friend.
You know, and she was
Going,
so
he
mad that I
graduated
won
and
because she had it out for me.
So he was
That
trying to
woman
do,
had it
trying
out.
to find him a job.
I had
And
Mrs.
So
Fanning,
you
and
guys
I
still
was
close?
thinking,
so he wanted to have him. And so he comes to me and he goes, he goes, yeah, he said, "Oh, I said, "Well, I'm offering a full-time job." And I told him, I said, "Well,